Home ICU setup. What is it basically about? Who is the right candidate? ये किसके लिए सही है, किसके लिए नहीं? What are the benefits? And lastly, how to decide to go for a ICU setup? Yes or no? आइए इन सारी बातों को डिस्कस करते हैं इस वीडियो में one by one. Now, what is a home ICU setup? A home ICU setup basically brings all the essential elements of hospital's intensive care unit राइट इनटू पेशेंट्स होम, यानी कि जो भी हॉस्पिटल के आईसीयू में हो रहा है वो सब पेशेंट के घर में होना चाहिए. इट इंक्लूड्स थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. नंबर वन, एडवांस मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स ranging from simple equipments like oxygen concentrators, suction pumps, mobility equipment to complex equipments like ventilators, infusion pumps. Number two, medical protocols and supervision. क्योंकि पेशेंट का क्रिटिकल केयर होने जा रहा है, so all the medical guidelines need to be followed, which is oftenly remotely monitored by a doctor so that the patient receives same kind of care, safety that he will get in a hospital ICU. And lastly, trained medical staff, which includes ICU trained nurses and medical attendants who are well able to use these equipments on day-to-day basis, चाहे wound care हो, चाहे tracheostomy हो, या फिर patient की कोई special condition हो. They should also be able to identify emergency conditions and act accordingly. Who is the right candidate for a home ICU setup? किसके लिए सही है, किसके लिए नहीं? So there are four major criteria to qualify. Number one, the patient is medically stable बट रिक्वायर्स ऑन गोइंग रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग, यानी कि हॉस्पिटल में कोई बुरा वक्त कट चुका है, कोई सर्जरी हो चुकी है, लेकिन फिर भी कॉन्टिन्यूस मॉनिटरिंग की ज़रूरत है कि कोई फ्लक्चुएशन ना हो, मे बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ हार्ट रेट, oxygen levels or BP. Number two, a patient who requires advanced medical equipments like oxygen concentrators, feeding pumps, suction machines, ventilator, etc. Number three, a patient who requires skilled nursing care, कोई wound care है, कैथेटर मैनेजमेंट है, ट्रैकोस्टोमी है, या ऐसी कोई दवाई जो कि सिर्फ आईवी ड्रिप से ही लगती है. एंड लास्टली, अ पेशेंट हु हैज लॉन्ग टर्म और क्रिटिकल कंडीशन जैसे कि सीओपीडी जिसमें लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए वेंटिलेशन की ज़रूरत है, या फिर कोई न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स लाइक एल्जाइमर्स, डिमेंशिया, पैरालिसिस विच रिक्वायर लॉन्ग टर्म क्रिटिकल सपोर्ट. Number three, are there any benefits of home ICU setup? Well, there are numerous benefits, but to name top 5. Number one, cost effective. You may be surprised to know that the cost of home ICU setup can be 1/10 of hospitals' ICU care prices. Number two, reduce risk of hospital-borne infections. Because home ICU setup is a controlled setup, therefore less pathogens, and also you can tell the people in your house, basically patient के रूम में ज़्यादा लोग मत जाइए, ऑटोमेटिकली इन्फेक्शन का चांस बहुत कम हो जाता है. नंबर थ्री, पर्सनलाइज वन टू वन अटेंशन. इन अ होम ICU setup where you can have medically trained staff, ICU trained nurses and medical attendants, the patient can have their undivided attention, and you as a caregiver can also ask them so many questions as much as you would want to ask. Next, better healing through emotional support and familiarity. We have seen the people who have taken home ICU setup, they feel much better, they feel much more normal क्योंकि घर के लोग दिखाई देते हैं, उन्हें वो इमोशनल सपोर्ट मिलता है which helps in their better healing. And lastly, less stress for the caregivers and the family of the patient. You don't have to take extra leave days, travel, parking, all of that for your loved one. All you have to do is take a home ICU setup and be next to them on your Sundays, Saturdays, and whenever you can find time for them. How to decide whether to go for a home ICU setup? हाँ या नहीं? Well, there are some 5-6 questions if you ask yourself, and if the answer to all those questions is a yes, then only go for it, otherwise not. The questions are: number one, is the patient medically stable enough to be taken outside hospital? Number two, is your house equipped for machines? Number three, do you have enough power backup? Do you have enough space? Are you mentally ready to have medical attendants in your house 24/7? Is your family emotionally and logically ready for this kind of a commitment? And if the answer is yes to all of these, then go for it. Because at HDU with a home ICU setup, we have seen incredible recoveries happening, patients recovering faster in a peaceful and a familiar environment. We have also helped so many families navigate end of life care with so much dignity and less distress. But We have also seen families rushing into the decisions and leading into crisis. Therefore, expert guidance matters. और अगर अभी भी आपको लगता है कन्फ्यूजन है, एच डी यू ऑफर्स अ फ्री कंसल्टेशन. स्क्रीन पे नंबर मैंशनड है, प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन द गिवन नंबर एंड कॉल टुडे. आस्क वॉट एवर इज कंसर्निंग, वॉट एवर इज लिमिटिंग यू बैक. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.